Pikadilyo of Bato, Camarines Sur. Pikadilyo is a tilapia dish. This dish is originated in the municipality of Bato. Batueños has the tastiest and most delicious version of Pikadilyo. Procedures on how to cook Pikadilyo. These are the ingredients: sili, kamyas, tomato, ginger, garlic, onion, salt and pepper, and tilapia. Chop all the ingredients and mix together. Next is put the mixture on the belly of the tilapia. Next is close it and tie it. Next is heat the pan, put some cooking oil, and you can put now the tilapia. Check and flip it from time to time so that it will be fairly cooked. Once cooked, put it on a plate and garnish, and there you go, you have your delicious Pikadilyo. Pikadilyo of Bato, Camarines Sur.